Will 2025 bring another recession? Consumer spending is down, inflation is sticky, and some of the world's top economists are sounding the alarm. But not everyone agrees. Today, we break down exactly what the experts are saying and what it means for your money. Consumer spending, which drives nearly 70% of the US economy, is starting to slip. In April, it rose by just 0.1%, a major cooldown from previous months. Economists like Torsten Slök warn this could signal a broader economic slowdown, or even stagflation, the worst of both worlds, high prices and low growth. Layoffs are also making headlines. From tech giants like Meta to smaller startups, job cuts are quietly ramping up. The US economy contracted 0.3% in Q1 2025, a concerning sign. But not everyone is pessimistic. Hedgeye CEO Keith McCullough says growth is actually accelerating and sees no recession in sight. He's even betting on high-yield bonds as the Fed pauses rate hikes. His view? The economy is stabilizing, and those who adapt will thrive. Others agree, citing strong earnings reports and continued job creation in key sectors. Still, political uncertainty is stirring up new fears. In April, the Trump administration introduced sweeping new tariffs, and markets reacted instantly. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq suffered their steepest one-day drops since 2020. With inflationary pressure returning and trade tensions rising, even bullish economists admit the road ahead is shaky. So, how do you protect your finances? Experts recommend diversifying income. Side gigs like reselling, digital products, or freelance services are helping people stay afloat. Many are also moving savings into high-yield accounts or short-term bonds to stay liquid while earning. In uncertain times, those who stay flexible and informed often come out ahead. Will 2025 be the year of a full-blown recession or a soft landing? The truth is, no one knows for sure, but being prepared can make all the difference. What's your take? Are we headed for a recession? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more no-fluff financial insights every week.